Let's fill out the Illinois Motorcycle Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling or buying a motorcycle in this state, here's what you need to know about the bill of sale. The most important thing to keep in mind is that the transfer of ownership happens right on the certificate of title itself. Both the buyer and the seller will need to complete the information in the space provided on the certificate of title. So make sure you have that document ready before the transaction takes place. Beyond that, the verified requirements for this state are limited to what we just covered. So always check with your local motor vehicle agency to confirm any additional steps that may apply to your specific situation. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.